you have all of these countries, whether it's what?
Bless you.
Oh, I thought she sneezed.
Yeah, it wasn't a protester.
You're so used to protesters. Somebody sneezes and you're ready to throw them
the
out.
camera's going to go over there and show what a big crowd they have. That's the only way they show the big crowd. That was a healthy sneeze. She's a healthy person.
Yes.
Hey YouTube fans, I'm Luke Russert. Thanks for checking out our MSNBC channel. Subscribe by clicking right here and click any of the videos over here to watch the latest breaking news, mini documentaries, conversations from Shift, and other digital exclusives. Check it out.